Top 10 tips for winterizing your car. Winterizing your car is essential to ensure safe and reliable driving during the cold winter months. From checking your battery and tires to ensuring proper antifreeze levels and having an emergency kit on hand, these tips will help you prepare your vehicle for winter conditions. Number 10. Regularly clean your car. Touchless car washes use high-pressure water jets, eliminating the need for brushes that could potentially scratch your car's paint. Look for a car wash with an undercarriage wash function to remove salt and debris from the underside of your vehicle. If you're cleaning your car at home. Number 9. Keep a winter emergency kit in your car. In case you get stranded or your car breaks down, having extra warm clothing or blankets can provide warmth and help prevent hypothermia. A flashlight is vital, especially if you need to check your car at night or during low visibility conditions. Make sure to include spare batteries as well. Cold temperatures can drain your car's battery faster. Having jumper cables allows you to jump start your car or help someone else in need. Number 8. Inspect the belts and hoses. Before checking the belts and hoses, make sure the engine has had sufficient time to cool down. Opening the hood when the engine is still hot can be dangerous and increase the risk of burns. Look for any signs of wear, cracking, fraying, or glazing on the belts. Pay close attention to the serpentine belt, which drives multiple components like the alternator, power steering pump, and water pump. If you notice any significant wear or damage, it is recommended to have the belt replaced. Number 7. Check the oil. Before checking the oil, make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface to get an accurate reading. It's recommended to let the engine cool for a few minutes to ensure an accurate reading. Hot oil can give a false reading due to expansion. Locate the hood release lever, usually near the driver's side footwell, and pull it to open the hood. Then, secure the hood with the prop rod or support rod. Number 6. Inspect the lights. Turn on your headlights and make sure both the high beams and low beams are functioning correctly. Inspect the lenses for any cracks, damage, or fogging. If any bulbs are burnt out or the lenses are damaged, replace them. Turn on the interior overhead lights, including the dome lights and reading lights. Ensure that they turn on and off as expected. If any bulbs are burnt out, replace them. Number 5. Test the defrosting and heating systems. To test your vehicle's defrosting and heating systems, start the engine and allow it to idle. Turn on the heating system using the dashboard controls or knobs. Adjust the temperature to the desired setting and ensure that warm air is coming out of the vents. Try adjusting the fan speed from low to high to ensure that the system is delivering air at different speeds. Number 4. Change wiper blades and fluid. Look for wiper blades specifically designed for winter conditions. These blades are typically made of a rubber compound that can withstand freezing temperatures and are more resistant to ice buildup. Measure the length of your existing wiper blades to ensure you purchase the correct size. Inspect your windshield for any cracks or chips. Repair them if necessary, as extreme temperature changes can worsen existing damage. Number 3. Check the antifreeze and coolant levels. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cooled down. Open the hood of your vehicle and locate the coolant reservoir, which is typically a translucent plastic container near the radiator. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual if you're having trouble finding it. If it's below the minimum mark, you'll need to add coolant. 2. Inspect the tires. Use a quality tire pressure gauge to measure the pressure in each tire, including the spare tire. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or the label on the inside of the driver's door jamb for the recommended tire pressure. Inflate or deflate the tires as needed, ensuring they are all at the correct pressure for optimal performance. Adequate tire tread depth is crucial for maintaining traction. Insert a penny into the grooves of the tire with Lincoln's head facing down. If the top of Lincoln's head is fully visible, it's a sign that the tread depth is too low and you may need to replace the tires. 1. Check the battery. Make sure the vehicle is turned off completely, including all lights and accessories, before working on the battery. The battery is typically located under the hood of the vehicle. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual if you're unsure about its location. Carefully examine the battery terminals for any signs of corrosion, which may appear as a white or green powdery substance. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.